go get them again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host, Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the channel from the brand of Lacoste. I know you've all been waiting for this fragrance review. This is L.12.12 Rose Eau Intense by Lacoste. It is a newer release, 2023. I have it in the tester box for some reason. Usually don't do that. L.12.12 is a line that Lacoste has really focused on. You know, I don't know, like I'm not a fan. A lot of people in the fragrance community love this L.12.12 line. Not me. It feels very bargain binish. Honestly, I really would like them to move on. They really need, personally, outside looking in, just fragrance reviewer, really feel like they really need a strong creative director. They really need to start branding their stuff better, personally, I think. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and smash the like button while you're at it. Do a double dip. Pow pow. Much appreciated. Now let's take a look at the note breakdown. Interesting note breakdown. We got some white tea. That got me interested. Szechuan pepper. Oh, we're gonna get a little bit of bite. And then we got some florals and the typical base notes of cedar, muscat, sandalwood. Let's get it out of this white box first of all. I usually don't keep these or put these on the channel. So nice pink bottle, EDT, it says eau de toilette. I don't know why there's a sticker, I guess it was because it's a tester. So an intense version being an eau de toilette. It's kind of weird. Just for branding purposes, you'd think they would do like elixir or something. I don't know. Nice and pink. Oh my God. Wow. Maybe I gotta hit the gym. Okay, so so let's see. Oh, we're gonna put it on strip first, and then of course on my skin. Let's see what this one's all about. Oh my! Oh yeah, good sprayer. No, not so good. Let's sniff this one. Let's see what we get. See. When people see intense in a version of a fragrance, they're really expecting something big and bold. This is light, transparent. It seems like a rose. It's rose-based, watered down. You're getting the soft citruses, the mandarin, dewy rose. So you're getting like a watery rose, but very light, like this color. This is the kind of rose you're getting. A little bit of muskiness, but very light on the touches. Everything is light on here. Little bit of powderiness, but hardly noticeable. Man, scent of the day. Personally, I think, where's my mic? Personally, I think this one's not going to last long. It doesn't seem like it has a lot of legs to it. For an intense version, I know some people are just going to look at that. Okay, so watery rose. Yeah. Well, maybe more ozonic. It has an ozonic quality. The white tea, I can kind of sense that, but it's really a rose-based. Iris, no. Cotton flower, no. Maybe it's giving a light powdery touch. Maybe that's what that is. Musky, very light rose. Like think this, like not pink, like super light pink. Transparent, light. This is not gonna last on my skin. It doesn't seem like it has much to it. I don't know. I don't see... Lacoste is a brand that is... They're trying, but they're very much, to me, a bargain bin brand. It is one of those brands that you never pay full retail. You heard it here first if you haven't heard it yet. Never, ever, ever pay full retail for Lacoste. Don't go in a Lacoste store and pay $100 for this stuff. Don't go to Macy's and buy Lacoste L.12.12. No, just no. Don't do it. Stop it. No. All right. Stop. Go to fragflex.com. That's where I got mine. You'll probably get it for super cheap. You can even use my code TFG10, get 10% off. Might as well do the plug while I'm at it. This is the kind of stuff that's bargain bin. It's highly forgettable. The rose in here doesn't have any punctuality. It's very light, very watery. And I guess like you're wearing something, but not really. Might as well start wearing body mists at this point. So Szechuan pepper, non-existent. There is no bite, zero bite out of this thing. White tea, I'll give it. There's a little bit of that aspect, but don't expect much. Mandarin, yes, it's there, but again, watercolor-esque. It's very light on the trigger. Cotton flower, I'm assuming that is the powdery thing that I'm getting. Iris can do that too. So I'll give it to them. Rose, rose-centric, but again, very light on the trigger. It's a dewy rose. It's a light rose, very pinkish in color. It doesn't have any green aspects. It doesn't have any thorns to it. It's not ruby red. It just is there. Man, Lacoste has, I don't know. I feel like there's some wasted potential with this brand. I feel like they have the branding to make really an interesting fragrance lineup. They can really, grasp on. If I was creative director, and I know, like I'm just saying, if I was creative director of this brand, the first thing I would do, first of all, discontinue all the crap they have. And people would hate me. But let's start with the gator. Let's go green. Let's go. That is going to be our bread and butter. Let's go with the gator and go with the green aspects, and let's make a excellent. I know people are going to say, well, they already made Lacoste Essential. That's green. No, I mean like a really good green scent. An Essential is a classic for the Lacoste line. But yeah, they really just need to destroy and rebuild. That's my personal thoughts. And this fragrance is not changing my mind. It really is. Can I say a step above a body mist? I guess. I'm not expecting this to last 3 hours on my skin, unfortunately. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below, good, bad, and the ugly. I don't think too many people even look out for Lacoste, so I can't wait to see the views on this video. I might be the first one reviewing this on YouTube. I wouldn't be surprised, honestly. It just isn't, it's not there. Like, this brand needs a full makeover. I'm being honest here. They need a full teardown, and let's start again. You have the branding. The Lacoste branding is awesome for clothing and things like that. Let's start delving into it and start making an excellent brand with the branding that you have. This is cookie cut. Like, get out of the fragrance game if you're going to be pushing this kind of stuff. This is like a light step above a body mist. That's all it is. So I can't wait to see the comments below. I don't know what kind of comments there is going to be. The views are going to be horrendous. If this hits 100 views, thank you to my subscriber base, because you're actually watching my videos because of me. There's no way this is getting the hits. But I can't wait to see that. As always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your Lacoste release wisely. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.